Hello guys, this is my second video. For those who didn't watch the first video, which is the channel trailer, make sure to check that out. So let's get into Zoom tutorial number 1, creating an account and familiarizing with the home screen of the Zoom application. You all might raise the question, why create a Zoom account? Without a Zoom account, features of the application will be limited. For those who just use Zoom for hosting or just participate in meetings or webinars will need to broaden their perspective of Zoom. There are common misconceptions of Zoom spying and Zoom having security flaws. There were and are still a few minor problems that can be fixed if the user follows necessary precautionary measures. These topics will be discussed in later videos. So first, open your browser. Search for Zoom or enter the URL zoom.us. Click on the Sign In button, then click on Sign Up Free. The age requirement is 16 years of age. Options to sign in with Google, Apple and SSO is available. I will be signing in with an email address. Enter an email address in the format of id@domain name. You will be receiving an activation mail from Zoom that looks like this. Click on Activate Account. You will be redirected to a website. If you use Zoom for personnel use, select No. If you are using for institutional purposes, select Yes. After entering a few more details that is supposed to be done by the user is over, your account is made. Enjoy. Download the Zoom application and sign into your account. In the home screen you will see 4 options. 1. New meeting option. 2. The joint meeting option. 3. The schedule meeting option, and fourthly the share screen to meeting option. We will be discussing about each of these in later videos. For now, see you later.